I'm a little boy with glasses, the one they call a geek. A little girl who never smiles, 'cause I've got braces on my teeth. And I know how it feels to cry myself to sleep.
I'm that kid on every playground that's always chosen last, a single teenage mother trying to overcome my past. You don't have to be my friend, or is it too much to ask?